In the grand fabric of existence, humans possesses a perplexing distinction: unmatched intelligence. We build only cities and launch rockets, hoping for worlds elsewhere. How did we arrive at this? They lived like all other apes for millions of years, until a strange turn of destiny altered everything. To solve this mystery, we return to the origin of humankind. Many years ago, small standing apes once roamed the African grasslands, surviving on pure instinct. Bipedal walking freed their hands for tool use, an initial advantage. Their brains enlarged with time, supporting fresh capacities and knowledge. They created stone tools. Sharp flakes and hand axes distinguished them as innovators. Fire came next. That warmed food provided extra energy, which allowed brains to grow. Language and art flourished, narratives drawn on the walls of caves, concepts shared over time. Our closest living relatives, the chimpanzees, exhibit tool use and social behavior, but possess brains which are only 1/3 the size of human brains. Dolphins travel through the oceans with big brains and refined communication, but never domesticated fire or built civilizations. Crows and ravens are impressing us with tool use and problem solving, but they never did develop language or culture like ours. But humans have something special, a culture and imagination that no other creature possesses. We have dedicated circuits for empathy, planning, and abstract thinking, far more than for instinct. Humans also have a large brain-to-body ratio and grow slowly, giving kids more time to learn. Social living brought this development about. We needed to work together and communicate in sophisticated manners in order to exist. A changing climate forced our ancestors to innovate or perish. When language and culture gained hold, knowledge was passed down and added to from generation to generation. Every new invention, stone tools, the use of fire, provided the basis for the next invention. Our kind excels at the transmission of information, accumulating a cumulative intelligence over time. Large brains required heavy fuel. Trim meat and cooked food diets fueled their development. Other beings sparkle in the tapestry of life, but none with the suite of traits that humans possess. Perhaps the most significant aspect was imagination, anticipating, envisioning inventions, believing in the unseen. Genetic alterations could have been involved as well. Minute adjustments to DNA that opened doors to speech and memory. Modern science provides us with further hints. Specialized cells and a highly networked cortex to allow complex thinking. Despite clues, the whole tale is an enormous enigma, one that researchers still try to solve. From humble tree-dwelling origins to designers of the present day, the process itself is amazing. One thing is clear: intelligence is a rare and precious evolutionary gift. The human saga continues, my friends. Every response leads to new questions. If you enjoy this dive, give it a like and comment below what you think. No? Don't forget to subscribe to Operation Insights for more science mysteries. Thanks for watching Operation Insights. Be curious, and I'll talk with you again soon. The adventure of discovery continues. Operation Insights. Constantly looking for the unknown.